Quadratic equation, one important topic in mathematics, especially in algebra, we have to learn here. See this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is equation in variable x with coefficients a, b and c. Actually, we can write this equation in polynomial form as ax square, means in this term x has power 2, plus bx where x has power 1, plus cx raised to 0. The term is actually constant c. That means it has variable x with power 0, because as we know x raised to 0 is 1. In this equation, the highest power of x is 2. That's why the equation has degree 2. Such type of equation which has degree 2, means highest power of variable is 2, is known as quadratic equation. In this equation, x is a variable and a, b, c are any real number with one important condition: a is not equal to 0. Yes, a will be any real number except 0, because if a is equal to 0, then first term of our equation ax square becomes 0, and the remaining equation is bx plus c is equal to 0 is not quadratic, because its highest power is now x. Its highest power means highest power of variable x is 1 here. That's why it is not quadratic, and therefore the condition is important: a is not equal to 0. Now see the proper definition of quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are any real number with condition a is not equal to 0. A may be any real number except 0, and highest degree of this equation is 2. Highest degree of this equation means highest power of variable is 2. Now see examples of quadratic equation. Equation 2x square minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. This equation is quadratic because its degree is 2, means highest degree of variable x in this case is 2, and coefficients are 2, minus 1, 7 are all real numbers, means the first coefficient of x square is not equal to 0, it is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation in variable x. See this second equation, y square plus 8 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation in variable y, because it has highest power of variable y is 2. That means its degree is 2. In this equation, the middle term is not given. That means its coefficient is 0. Coefficients of these equations are 1, 0, 8, which are all real numbers. 1 is the coefficient of y square, 0 is the coefficient of y, and a constant term 8, which is coefficient of y raised to 0. So such type of equation is also quadratic. Now see this equation, 4x square is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation because it has degree 2 with variable x. In this case, two terms are not given, term of x and constant. Only term of x square is given. So such type of equations are also quadratic, where coefficients are 4, 0, 0. Means coefficient of x square is 4, coefficient of x is 0, and coefficient of x raised to 0, that is constant term, is also 0.